Guys, in this video we'll be creating the rear fender. It's important to check the continuity between those side patches. We should have curvature continuity. Okay, so now let's start creating the curve. I will be using and adjust the sensitivity a little bit up. We can turn on the curvature graph to see make this area of the curve a little bit more acute here. And to finish with this curve, we need to hide them, and I'm gonna take the duplicate tool. I'm setting the edge number to curvature. Let's select all the edges, and for now I'm gonna, as you can see here, we're getting the curvature fail, but the selection options here set to accurate. So that's it for this video. Hope you find it useful, and